else, he's just a little boy. But to this big dog, he's family. From staying close during playtime to quietly watching over every little adventure, this gentle giant seems to treat him like one of his own. And as they grow up side by side, you'll see just how powerful a dog's love and protective instinct can really be. Mealtime has somehow turned into a two-member cleanup crew. The baby handles the decorating, while the golden takes care of anything that lands on the table. The hand gets a little closer, and his whole posture changes. He presses himself against the baby and keeps a very watchful eye on every move. Some passengers make a fuss. This one sits perfectly upright on his little pink sled, calmly taking the backyard tour like he rides this route every day. Sharing dinner gets a whole lot sweeter when she insists on feeding her best buddy Furt. And judging by that gentle bite, he knows exactly how careful to be with her. A routine burp suddenly gets some very serious supervision. The moment Dad starts patting, this pup gently blocks his hand and squeezes in closer to the baby. With one paw resting firmly on his wrist, subtlety has officially left the table. The golden never steals a bite, but he certainly makes his interest impossible to miss. Across those metal bars, a tiny friendship finds its own way through. The golden reaches out one gentle paw, and the baby eagerly meets him halfway. Joy takes about 1 second to fill the whole couch. The moment Dad sets that little puppy in their lap, 3 surprised faces turn into one big family welcome. Rest time becomes a shared decision. As soon as the baby settles onto the floor, the Rottweiler lowers himself beside her and gently rests his head across her back. Comfort apparently comes with golden fur. She curls up against the retriever like he is the coziest pillow in the house, and he never even bothers to move. No invitation is needed for a hug like this. She wraps both arms around that big golden head, and he sits perfectly still while she snuggles in close. Bedtime comes with company in this house. The little girl climbs into her bed, and the husky follows right behind, before quietly settling in beside her. Sunshine, soft fur, and one very patient Labrador make the perfect little cuddle spot. A moment later, the baby rolls away laughing, while her furry pillow simply stays close. Nothing about that steady stare is casual. With one big paw resting around the baby, the shepherd stays perfectly still while the little one wiggles comfortably against him. For 8 days, Every familiar spot comes up empty. Then the little dachshund reaches the crib, and one look at the baby back home says, the searching is finally over. Tiny hands, serious business. He proudly walks his little dachshund through the store before another pint-sized pair back home turns ordinary playtime into their own little adventure.
Good boy, Archie.
Affection does not get much more enthusiastic than this. She showers her patient little dog with hugs and kisses while he simply lies there and lets her love him with everything she has. Bailey has mastered the look of a customer who never booked the appointment. He sits through the whole beauty session, then gives the camera one priceless side-eye that says more than words ever could. Possession lasts about 3 seconds in this game. The little Yorkie snatches the prize and takes off, and that baby immediately drops into high gear after him. Half the couch belongs to him, yet she fits right into the gentlest little corner. One soft nuzzle later, the two of them settle back in like cuddling was always part of the plan. Round and round goes the swing, while the dog underneath remains completely unbothered. Every pass brings another little reach from above, and he just keeps enjoying his spot in the shade. Nobody told the bulldog the bottom basket was meant for luggage. He rides along beneath the baby with that enormous grin, looking every bit as pleased with the stroller as the passenger upstairs. Getting sent to the kennel feels a lot less serious when your best friend climbs in too. She settles right beside the little Dalmatian, perfectly happy to turn the whole thing into cuddle time. Apparently, every good friendship needs a little pampering. The baby works those tiny hands across the pug's back, then finishes the whole session with a cuddle and one very proud smile. Luck apparently has 4 paws in this family. He rubs the cards across Nami's back, flips over a 10, and suddenly that very confused Golden looks like the smartest strategy at the table. Wake-up calls do not get much sweeter than this. 2 eager dogs crowd in with gentle kisses, and Branson opens his eyes just long enough to wrap his arms around the buddy beside him. Teddy takes his time with this little challenge, inch by inch. The giant Saint Bernard works that pink sock free, while her laughter turns the whole operation into a game. Somehow, movie night has turned these two into matching couch potatoes. The boy settles in, his buddy sits right beside him, and even one enormous yawn isn't enough to end the show.